Hello everyone. Today's breaking news covers a terrifying shark attack off the coast of Fuerteventura, Canary Islands, where a surfer suffered serious leg injuries. The attack happened on Sunday about 2 miles west of Fuerteventura near Los Molinos, a known area for occasional shark sightings. The victim was riding a hydrofoil board, a high-speed water sport, when the shark first bit his board before sinking its teeth into his thigh. Local media reported the surfer sustained 2 deep, bloody wounds above the knee but managed to scramble back to shore for urgent medical treatment. Spanish TV channel Antena 3 described the injuries as severe, and emergency services attended to the man shortly after he returned safely. While hammerhead sharks and angel sharks inhabit these waters, they rarely attack humans, making this incident both serious and unusual. Authorities have reminded beachgoers and water sport enthusiasts to remain vigilant and exercise caution when venturing far from shore. This shark attack comes amid a recent spate of similar incidents across the region, including a savage fish attack on an elderly woman in Majorca earlier this week. In April, a man named Barak Zak tragically died after a shark attack off Israel's Mediterranean coast, highlighting a worrying pattern of increased encounters. Experts suspect that warming waters and environmental changes may push marine predators closer to popular swimming and surfing areas in the Mediterranean and Atlantic. Marine safety advice for close shark encounters includes maintaining eye contact, slowly backing away, and defensive strikes to the shark's eyes, gills, or snout if attacked. Despite the surge in incidents, data shows global unprovoked shark bites in 2024 dropped to 47, significantly below the 10-year average of 67. Local officials are monitoring waters around Fuerteventura and advising the public on safety protocols to minimize risks during upcoming weeks. Beach patrols have been increased, and tourism authorities are coordinating with marine biologists to track shark activity near popular recreational zones. Surfer communities are shaken but continue to emphasize respect for ocean wildlife while calling for enhanced warning systems and rapid response measures. This attack has sparked renewed debate about balancing tourism, marine ecosystem protection, and visitor safety in the Canary Islands. Authorities urge anyone spotting suspicious or aggressive marine animals to report immediately to coast guards and local officials. The broader context includes climate-driven shifts in marine habitats, possibly increasing rare but serious encounters between humans and large fish species. Scientists continue researching how ocean warming affects predator behavior, aiming to improve prevention efforts and public awareness. As this story develops, the Canary Islands remain a beloved destination, with officials committed to safeguarding both visitors and local ecosystems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What are your thoughts on shark safety? Should more be done to protect surfers and swimmers?